For an individual that does not have diabetes, this is how glucose and insulin function inside their body. When food is consumed by the person, the glucose goes directly into the bloodstream. At this point, the pancreas recognizes the glucose in the bloodstream and produces an adequate amount of insulin. The insulin then travels through the bloodstream and reaches the insulin receptors on the cell membrane of a cell. For this person without diabetes, the insulin receptors easily recognize the insulin that was released by beta cells and unlocks the cell. This allows the glucose transport proteins to carry the glucose through the cell membrane into the mitochondria, which gives the cell energy.
If a person had type 1 diabetes, no insulin is produced by the pancreas, and the insulin receptors cannot receive the signal to unlock the cell and allow glucose to flow through the cell membrane into the mitochondria. Over time, if the person does not inject insulin into their bloodstream, there will be a lot of glucose that would remain in the bloodstream, resulting in hyperglycemia, which is when someone has high blood sugar levels in their bloodstream.
Finally, if someone has type 2 diabetes, they produce regular amounts of insulin. However, their insulin receptors have become resistant to the regular insulin as they have become saturated from receiving too much insulin and glucose. This results in too much glucose in the bloodstream and causes hyperglycemia. Because of this, glucose cannot be transferred through the cell membrane and to the mitochondria. Everyone can be at risk of getting hypoglycemia if they do not consume enough food for long periods of time. Hypoglycemia can be more dangerous for people with either type of diabetes. Since there is not enough glucose in the bloodstream, the pancreas must release alpha cells, which produce the hormone glucagon. This hormone signals the liver to break down glycogen into glucose and deposit into the bloodstream.